What is SuperStream?
SuperStream is a new payment standard being introduced to improve the efficiency of the superannuation system and is mandated by the ATO.
How do employers send their superannuation data? Employees must provide all superannuation data electronically in a standard message format. All contribution payments must be made electronically and all payments and money must be linked with a unique superannuation identifier. Let's talk about unique superannuation identifiers, also known as USIs.
What are USIs?
A USI is used by superannuation fund administrators to identify specific superannuation funds.
Do employees need to provide a USI?
Yes. New employees must provide a USI. If they do not want to use the employer's default super fund, the Super Choice of Fund form requires a USI.
What if an employee wants to change their fund?
Yes, you can. Your employee will need to provide a USI.
Until all funds are ready for SuperStream, you'll need to make sure that SPINs are also updated in the employee master file for correct payments. Do employees need a USI if we use EPS?
Yes, you do. EPS had been working hard to ensure that all registered funds have the correct USI. The payment will be made to the correct fund during the transition period. EPS will be preparing reports that will assist with updating of Payforce.
What if I'm not with EPS?
You need to find a service provider who will give you further instructions on how to manage your superannuation payments.
Have you seen the ATO lookup table? It allows you to map a SPIN to a USI. If you have any questions, have a look at our website.
Here you will find a lookup table in Client Download Superannuation. You can also find more information about EPS.